Welcome back, everyone. Adam Solowitz here. Welcome to episode 5 of the Quarantine Cookbook. And today is a special episode. Today is May the 4th, which means May the 4th be with you. And as you can probably tell, I am a Star Wars fan. So in today's episode, we're going to be making the Ronto-Less Wrap from Galaxy's Edge, which is a plant-based wrap with kimchi, pickled cucumber, plant-based sausage, naan bread, and gochujang aioli. So we're gonna go through this step by step, and we're gonna have some fun. And got my handy dandy lightsaber with me today to help me out. No, I'm not a geek. Or maybe. You can ask my wife. It's debatable. Anyways, so let's get to this. We're gonna start out with making some homemade kimchi. We could have went to the grocery store, we could have bought some pre-made kimchi, but I wanted to make a homemade kimchi and do it right for everybody, and it's gonna be a plant-based kimchi. So there's gonna be no fish sauce, there's gonna be no shrimp paste, completely 100% plant-based to go with the Ronto-Less Wrap. So let's get this going. Okay, like I said, we're gonna be starting off with making some homemade kimchi. So what I have right here is some Napa cabbage that I've soaked in water and salt. And what this is gonna brine the Napa cabbage and pull some of the moisture out. So we're gonna take the Napa cabbage and now we're gonna remove the water. It's been sitting for about an hour, hour and a half. So now that the water is removed, we're gonna set the Napa to the side, and then we're gonna take this bowl, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the chili paste to coat the Napa cabbage. So what I have right here is garlic and some chopped ginger, finely chopped. Have some miso, white miso paste. So this is gonna replace the shrimp paste that is typically in kimchi. And then gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste. So we're gonna put a little bit of that in there. Boom. And some sugar. And just a little bit of more salt, like that. So we're gonna fill this up with some water, which I have right here. Too much. We can always add more, and then give it a nice whisk. Check for seasoning. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff. Let's put some more gochujang in there, huh? Why not? Why not? Awesome. So now that's going, we're gonna bring back the Napa cabbage and we're gonna dump that right in there, just like so. Just like that. So typically with kimchi, you're gonna want it to ferment. You can leave it out of your refrigerator and it's gonna ferment faster. So typically the typical fermentation time is about a week to 2 weeks. A little trick when it comes to kimchi is if you want to use it right away, you should use it within the first day. If not, let it ferment for that week or two before you bring it out and use it again. So, here we go. And this is just a fast and simple way to make a really nice kimchi. Then we're gonna check it for seasoning one more time. Very nice. I'm gonna add some more gochujang. I love gochujang. And again, it's a Korean chili paste, just for more flavor. Oh yeah, beautiful. That's what we're talking about there. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I have reserved some glass jars here. So I have a glass jar, like I said, and we're gonna put the kimchi in the glass jar to store it while it ferments. And again, we wanna use this right away or let it ferment for the week or two until we reuse it again. All right, we're gonna make the pickled cucumber. So we have some sliced pickled hothouse cucumbers here, and then some thinly sliced julienne onion. Now, if you want to learn how to chop onion really fast and efficiently, I made a video on that a few weeks back, and I'll post a link to that in the video. So now I like to do a cold pickle when it comes to pickling. And what that means is we're not going to heat up the vinegar and the sugar and the rest of the mixture. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna add it right into the cucumber, into the vegetables, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it pickle cold. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna get a crisper vegetable because it's not gonna be cooked. So I have some sesame oil here. So we'll dump a little bit of that right there. Rice wine vinegar here. There we go. Fantastic. A little bit of sugar. Oh yeah. And salt. A bit more there. And some sambal olive, which is a chili paste. So, okay. I like spicy, as I've said before, so I got super spicy. And then a little bit of water. Give that a good mix. So now that we have it in the pickling liquid, what I want to do is I have another glass jar here. We're going to put it in the glass jar in the refrigerator to help it pickle. So let's get this going. All right, now that we have the cucumber pickle in the jar and we have our kimchi. So we're gonna set these aside and we're gonna go ahead and go over the final ingredients for the Ronto-Less Wrap. All right, so let's get going on the final ingredients for the Ronto-Less Wrap. So right here, I have some Veganaise, which is basically a vegan mayonnaise, and more of the Gochujang. So we're just gonna make a simple Gochujang aioli. Just put that right in there. Give it a quick stir. Delicious. So, pickled cucumber and onion. Kimchi, as I like to call it, a quick kimchi. The Gochujang aioli. We have some plant-based sausage here. So you can use Beyond Burger, you can use Beyond Sausage, but this is just a plant-based sausage that I picked up from the grocery store. And a garlic naan bread, which is also vegan or plant-based. So, let's get going and make this wrap. All right, and there we have it. Our Ronto-Less plant-based wrap from Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland to go along with May the 4th be with you. We also made our house-made quick kimchi and pickled cucumber and onion. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Again, my name is Adam Solowitz, and May the 4th be with you. Eat well.